Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. All right, so interesting start off to the year. Really nice trading day yesterday. You can see we're starting to try to break out of this consolidation. New all-time highs this morning, 48.07 half. Hourly chart, so a couple things. The original consolidation box from last week, we came down to test the 50 area here. We did it again yesterday. Off of the open, they created a higher low, and kind of chopped it around a little bit here, and then pushed it up as we got into later in the day. Came back, held this 80-81 area as support in Globex, and then they've basically just been walking it up overnight. So the bears yesterday had every opportunity over the course of 3 or 4 hours to convert weekly pivot to resistance. The 9-day held it. You can see it here, okay? And the 50 area held it, which held it back on Friday. So it's not matching lows, but you have 47.50 support, okay? That coupled with the 9-day, and then all these opportunities to convert weekly pivot to resistance, it didn't happen, and now we're up here. So one of the things that we've talked about for forever, I've been doing this daily webcast for 6-7 years. Is whoever wins the weekly pivot early in the week gets control of the directional days later in the week. And the bulls have set themselves up to take advantage of that. If 4,800 goes support, that moves us out of this consolidation zone. Whether it's this zone and then a smaller zone, or whether it's just one big zone from 47.50 to 4,800, which is probably more accurate. If we stay here, if we stay above here, then this has a chance to continue to move to the upside. We're talking about areas like 48.17, 48.33, 48.50. Why? Because it's what's next. Don't say we're overbought. Don't say it's frothy. Don't say stupid shit like that, because all we've done for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sessions is work all that crap off. That's all we've done. I don't care if it's trading with 48s on it. I don't care that we were trading 44, who cares, way back whenever we were doing it. It doesn't matter. You got a consolidation and a potential breakout. And if 4,800 holds, especially on a closing basis today, it's going to open up that upside move. You've got an upper Bollinger Band on the daily chart that's pretty achievable at 48.35. Don't put it past the bulls to get there, especially if the bears are going to continue to not show up and put in a full day's work. They really blew it yesterday. They really, really blew it. They sold the open. It was a nice move down. They did nothing with it. Now it's the bulls' turn. Maybe we wake up tomorrow. Maybe I turn this on tomorrow and we're trading somewhere in the 4700s. If we are, then what I'm going to say is, well, the bulls had their chances and now they've blown it. But there's nothing bad from a trader trading, intraday trading perspective of being jammed in a 50 or 60 handle box. That's not bad at all. That's actually pretty cool. So we'll see how this goes. 4,800 is the key. Other areas today, VWAP 47.94.75. Our proprietary moving average is sitting at 4,800. 5-minute mids 48.04. It's all about this round number 4,800. That's a huge deal. All right, that's all I got today. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. Come check out the room. Come join a bunch of new folks that are learning this stuff. We ended up, yesterday was a fantastic day. It's still a fantastic day. We've got a runner working from 68. We would love to meet you. Start your new year off right, and come check us out and see if we're right for you. If you trade this stuff on a daily basis, you're really going to like what you find. Take care. See you tomorrow.